Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today we have the 12 Days of Christmas collaboration, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now we do have co-hosts, and I'm going to go ahead and list these beautiful content creators down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. Make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what each and every one of them have for you for the holiday season. Now, what I decided to do today, and during the holiday season, it gets very stressful and we do need to take the time out to relax. So today we're having a tea party. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you faithful ones that have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much and tell you that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Remember to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And make sure and comment below, guys, because I would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I put this tea party together, and I'll see you at the end. So let me take a quick moment just to tell you a little bit about the table. So the tablecloth I did purchase at Walmart, and all of the background decor, they're all DIYs. And I am so excited because these are mostly with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I do have videos out on them. So let me see if I can find them and link them below. Okay, so now those little white plates over there, I'm gonna use them as dessert plates today. I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. The dishes that you see on the table, those were thrifted and they're absolutely beautiful. I believe those are Mikasa. And now we move over to the napkins. The cloth napkins were thrifted items, and then the napkin holders, those came from Hobby Lobby. Along with those beautiful wooden chopping block or block coasters in wood. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love them. So that's what we have so far. So now I decided to put out some croissants to have with our tea. So the utensils that we're using, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. And then these beautiful pumpkin mugs, aren't they gorgeous? Believe it or not, I got those at Dollar General. Okay, so we lit the candles. We're heading on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with all of the beautiful co-hosts, for hosting this collaboration, including myself. Okay, so there's nothing like pausing and doing some self-care, and that includes a little tea party, something to eat, something warm, and yes, I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.